Hello everyone, we are Team Exoclan. Me Yash with Nikki, Manan and Pulkit is presenting Virtual Trial Room. So this is a site to try clothes online. Introduction, we created a mind-blowing fashion shopping site which will be the future of fashion industry. So the problem is people have the major urge to get outside, the major urge to try clothes and how it would feel and all. So instead, and this would be a dangerous thing as it has a correlation with coronavirus, the COVID-19, and this would increase the cases. But to solve this, we created a solution where the people don't have to go outside and from home they would actually stay in home. So in this project, we created a website where the customers have to upload their pic and select a garment, and a machine learning model would actually give an output customer pic where they have to select a garment, where they would get a garment pic of them. It's like a virtual trial room experience. The market. So actually we would create a scalable API which multiple sites can use it, and it would give a boost in fashion industry, and it would be good for economic recovery. It's a win-win situation for customers as well as sellers. So in our solution, we actually use GAN and segmentation to solve this topic, which is actually a hot topic in the field of AI. So let me present you the site. This is our site. This is a prototype site. So I want to select this cloth and I want to do a virtual trial room option. So I have to choose a file, and in this file I have to select this one. So let's press this. This is our input pic, and how we would get the output, let's see. Oh, this is actually a very good output. Let's try another one. Okay, let's try with this red one. So virtual trial room 6, and this is our model. Let's see the inference of it. Okay, it's not that good, but it's pretty much good. It's a prototype, so please forgive us. So let me tell you how it's done. So there's a segmentation part where our model actually needed a segmented image to differentiate what is this. So as you can say, it tells by pixels. So this is the red one is here, this is cloth, this is hand, this is neck. That's how it's done. And then we feed this image into GANs. GAN is a very interesting topic, so let me describe it to you. So there's a generator network, there's a neural networks and a discriminator model. So what a generator model actually creates fake images by randomly choosing pixels, and then the real image is fed into a discriminator network, and it actually differentiates, and it tells whether the fake, I can tell it's a fake image or real image. If it says yes, I can tell it's a fake image, then it goes back to network creates fake image, and discriminator say yes, it's a fake image, and then it goes on, and then it goes till the discriminator says that oh, it does, I can't tell it's a fake image, it pretty much looks like a real image, and give us the output. So let's see. So this is the input image, the customer's picture. It's pretty much like very good, and then we take the input, the choice of selection of us, and it's a randomly chosen model. We have lots of poses already incorporated in this, and this is a wrap cloth, this is segmentation, and this is the output where this one is a face refinement. As you can see, the face has been refined to give a realistic result. So before acknowledgement, I want to say future scope. So we want to deploy this on a sites, but due to time constraint, we plan to do in a local host to demonstrate and giving good results. But if we had more data and time, we could have scaled this potential, which we are giving like 8 out of 10. If we had more time, actually we can like train more, and it will give us photorealistic results, which customers and everyone would be happy with it. And I would like to thank our speaker and judge for organizing such a good Hack Jaipur for us, and such a good workshops and talks which I very much enjoyed. I would like to thank you for this opportunity.